Hi guys, it is Carissa, and you know how much I love my fans. That is why I'm here today, and I made slime yesterday, and it is very, very squishy. I love all my squishy fans. And I'm probably a little Dr. Little Squish. But stuff usually falls on the floor sometimes. Stuff usually doesn't. Yesterday I made some slime and I wanted to produce it. So yeah. And I think I did a great job. Also, you guys, I really, really hope that you love slime kits, because I will post this on, and I can't wait to post it. I hope all of you cookie fans will really, 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 really do a thumbs up. I would really love that. Bye. See you tomorrow.